Hello guys, in today's video you will learn how you can add audio spectrum in CapCut. To start, open your CapCut app and then select the video that you want to edit and add an audio spectrum. So now to add an audio spectrum, what I'm going to do is just to tap on text. After tapping on text, you can see stickers. Just tap on that. Now right here on search bar, what I'm going to do is to search for audio. And then you can see right here the different options of audio spectrum. Now just tap on that. Now after adding the sticker of audio spectrum, you can now adjust this. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.